Hello, welcome to FrameFlow Tutorials.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a problem in Blender when your textures look blurry instead of sharp. This usually happens with pixel art or low-resolution images, so let's jump right in. First, I have a simple object in my scene. I've applied a texture to it, but if you look closely, you'll see that the pixels don't look clean. They're a little bit blurry, and that's because of how Blender handles textures by default. To fix this, we need to go into the shader editor for your object. Here's the important part. Look for your image texture node. This is the node that's connected to the material, and it's where your texture image is loaded. By default, the interpolation mode on this node is set to linear. That means Blender is blending the pixels together, which causes that blurry look. What we want to do is change that from linear to closest. Closest means Blender won't try to blend or smooth the pixels. Instead, it will display each pixel exactly as it is in the texture. As soon as you switch it, you'll see the texture snap into place and look sharp. Now you know how to fix blurry textures in Blender. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials.